Oh, this is a heavy.
Ooh!
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, buddy.
Ready? Hello, everybody. So, finally back. We took some time off with all the COVID stuff. Everything was crazy. Didn't make any more videos because we couldn't go out, couldn't do anything. But everything's opening up now, so it's starting to shape up to be a great summer. We actually purchased the new boat to get away from everybody. You guys want to see it? Got some pretty nice boats. Kingfisher. It's a 2019 last season, but we got it on sale. And it's got the 225, the 99 kicker. It's got a nice fish locker in here. I use it for storage. And you got drawers, plenty of storage everywhere on this boat. These are got one fish locker. This is the second fish locker. Got the whole hard top. Plenty of storage. Step up. It's got you know, the benches under. It's got a porta potty. Works pretty good. It's your like bathroom door. The helm here. Got the seats are the good seats with the shocks and stuff there. Let me shut this. Got the front, got the nice fishing area off the bow. Plenty of storage. It's got all this under here. It's a great boat for a small family that just wants to go out on the weekends. It's got this, turns into a bed right here, so if you wanted to do longer like hunting weekends or stuff like that, you could. It's got forced air, got the windshield wipers, got everything. The helm is super nice. Got the digital for the engine, and you know, you got your flush mounted. That's an 8610 XSV. Really nice. Got the trim tabs down here, anchor, throttle, kicker. Yeah, it fishes great too. I'll have to post some. I got fishing videos. That's the engine compartment for all the electrical and everything like that. Got it on a little trickle charger there, just getting charged up. It's got the high pressure wash. It's not very high pressure, but it washes. Yeah, it's a great little boat for a family. It's blue. Kingfisher. Got all the storage for your poles. Got the radar tower. It's super fun. It's just nice getting away, getting out, getting away from everybody. So we'll show you some clips of fishing, some pictures of the fish we caught, and that's all I got. If you want to see more of the boat, just let me know and ask questions. And yeah, all right, here is the first fishing video.
Oh my God, there's a fish! Hi! Hi!
Jared's got the monster.
Jared.
Yeah, when they're pulling back like that,
When it takes your line down, that's a butt.
We haven't had that all day.
No, we haven't had it at all.
You got color yet?
No, babe, it took his line for like a good 15-20 seconds.
Oh yeah, it must be a halibut. It was on like this slope.
A slope?
Yeah.
Oh, hit mark. Go hit mark on that. See, Jared was just waiting for the special one, that's all. He's like, I'll let you guys catch all the minnow fish. I'm gonna get the special fish.
Gaff it.
You'll have it.
No color yet, no color. we found our hole. Not tell anybody.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Keep your tip up. You got it.
Oh, shh.
Yeah, it's okay. It's gonna take a while. It always takes like, I mean, there's sometimes it takes 40 minutes.
That thing.
Just try to keep it away from motors.
Oh man.
All right, if this is a halibut, I'm ready.
Let us know
Oh
if you need a break.
no.
Yeah, he's like,
That's what we're gonna be.
All that progress you made.
Should I turn the boat a little bit?
Nope, leave it
just
alone.
leave everything alone.
We're not gonna bonk it, William.
Yeah.
No, I don't think you're gonna.
You don't bonk halibut, baby.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you can.
This
But
big one?
I bet you it's a good 60-pounder.
Let's hope so. I remember the huge one I caught. I was like, oh, it's just probably like 30 pounds. I'm so weak. And then when you saw how huge it was.
Oh, there's color.
Yeah, you got a butt! Yeah, Jared!
Woo!
Right here! Oh, hell
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Woo! Halibut! We are so happy to see you!
Okay, that's like a 40.
That's a perfect one. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful,
Did you
man.
hit Mark?
Okay.
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 Oh, babe, I need your help. This is heavy.
Okay.
It's gonna break. That's a beautiful butt.
Whoa,
Yay! We
man.
did it!
We did it. Jared, awesome job, man.
Yay!
Yep.
Sweet.
Punk.
No,
All right.
now we need